find the following indefinite integral, which is 1 over x squared minus x minus 6. Now, because the denominator here can be factorised, we need to factorise it. If it can't be factorised, then you need to do one of the methods in the last video that I'm going to do on this series. So the integral of 1 over x squared minus x minus 6, when factorised, becomes 1 over x minus 3 x plus 2. This can be separated by using partial fractions. So we say that 1 over x minus 3 x plus 2 will be equal to a over x minus 3 plus b over x plus 2. That means that 1 will be equivalent to a times x plus 2 plus b times x minus 3. Then if we put x is equal to 3, that will make that 0. So we're going to get 1 is equal to 5a. Therefore, a will be 1/5. And then if we put x equal to minus 2 here, that means a will be 0. We're going to have 1 is equal to minus 2 minus 3, which is minus 5. So we're going to have 1 is equal to minus 5b, then b will be minus 1/5. So we can rewrite the integral as the integral of 1/5, and we can take out the 1/5 because we've got 1/5 in both cases, of 1 over x minus 3 minus 1 over x plus 2 dx. Okay, so writing that out again. So these are very simple integrals to do. This becomes the ln of x plus 3 minus the ln of x plus 2, all multiplied by 1/5, plus c, of course. And then if we use log to base a minus log to base a of y is log a of x over y, we can write the integral as 1/5 of ln of x minus 3 over x plus 2 plus c as my final answer. So this has been a video to show you how to integrate when you have a quadratic as a denominator, which can be factorised, and then using partial fractions. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.